Hello everybody, in this video we will learn how to build a test on TestMoz. So first of all we will go on Google, we will search there testmoz.com, search. Then you will see this web page will open, then you have to click on build a test. Test name, which chapter you are putting test, like I am putting chapter 2 test. Then choose a password, you have to put any password, like I am putting 1 2AB, then retype 1 2AB, create test. Then first of all you have to go and adjust settings, then here color scheme which you want, like I am taking this. Next, show all text questions. Access control, who can take your test, I have done on anyone. How many times taker can take, unlimited. How many times can someone take your test, unlimited. It is your choice that what you want. Okay, then other settings you can adjust by your choice. Then we have to click on save. Then we have to click on insert multiple choice. I'm putting here MCQs first. How to put MCQs, like I'm putting capital of India is choice 1. We are putting choices Mumbai, Calcutta, New Delhi, Chennai. Okay, now next, like we want to put blanks, then we will click on fill in the blank. Like I will put here dash is capital of Haryana, and we know we have to put here correct answer, that is Chandigarh. And now next question, if you want to put true false, then click here true false. I will put here national bird of India is eagle. And now next, if we want to modify our test, then we will click on question bold. Okay, or you can do italic also, it is as your choice. Okay, then I will do all the questions bold. It is our choice that how many questions we want to put. And now next, the most important thing, which is correct answer, we have to tick on that. Like we know capital of India is New Delhi, we will click here. This is capital of Haryana, national bird of India is eagle, and it is false. We are admin, so we have to put all the correct answer. And like our this capital of India's question is of 2 points, then we will go here and we can put that how much points this question should be there. Like this I will put of 3 points, and this one only. Okay, our test is finished. Then here in the yellow box we have to click on publish page, then we have to click on publish, and this which link is appearing, you can copy in link, copy. And now next, go on WhatsApp, and in with any group you want to or any chat you want to send, then go on there, paste, and this is the link which test we have made. And our downside we can write that students attempt this test, or you can simply send it. Okay, and now next, that how to see that how your students has appeared in the test, then you will again click on this, then you will click on administration, which password you have put there you will put here, login, then you will click on fourth number, view results. This is still nobody has taken this test, so any name is not appearing. But when any student will take your test, then here names will appear, that which student has done, when he has done, which question is wrong, which is correct. Okay, Thank you for watching my video. I hope you have understood it well. Bye.